Welcome back to the Locus Home Therapy Program educational series. Today we'll explore practical ways you can help your young person aged 8 to 16 years develop the independence and organizational skills they'll need to manage increasing academic demands, both now and as they prepare for secondary school and beyond. At this stage, many young people already have routines in place, but they may still rely heavily on parents or teachers to remind them what to do next. Our aim is to gradually hand those responsibilities over, helping them become confident, independent learners. Let's begin with independent use of planners and schedules. Rather than filling in your child's planner yourself, encourage them to take ownership of it. At the end of each school day, ask them to record their homework, upcoming tests, and project deadlines. Instead of checking every detail, simply ask, "Can you show me what's planned for tomorrow?" As confidence grows, encourage them to decide which homework needs to be completed first and how many focused work sessions they'll need. They can then use that planner to pack their own school bag, gradually becoming responsible for managing their own school routine, while you move into a coaching role rather than doing it for them. The next strategy focuses on planning larger pieces of work. Long assignments and projects often feel overwhelming because students see one big task instead of several smaller ones. Help your child break each project into manageable stages. Once the task has been divided into smaller steps, schedule each part across different days, instead of leaving everything until the last minute. Encourage them to identify the 2 or 3 most important tasks for each day. Another important skill at this stage is self-advocacy. As children mature, it's important they begin to understand what helps them learn best. Talk together about the situations they find challenging. Then, identify the strategies that support them, such as sitting closer to the teacher, having written instructions, using a quiet fidget tool, or taking a planned movement break. Practice simple, respectful ways they can communicate these needs. Our final strategy is reflective problem solving. Instead of focusing on mistakes, help your child reflect on challenges using 3 simple questions. What happened? What made it difficult? And what could you try differently next time? Whether they forgot their homework or struggled with an assignment, these conversations help them develop practical solutions instead of losing confidence. Encourage them to choose one small strategy to try and then review together. Success is seeing your young person gradually take ownership of their planning, speak up for the support they need, solve problems independently, and approach school with growing confidence. These skills are the foundation for lifelong learning. Return to the Locus Therapy app to continue your child's personalized program. We'll see you in the next Locus Home Therapy program.